Mini DisplayPort to DVI Adapter, mDP 1.2, HBR2, to DVI-I, digital-only DVI-D, single-link video adapter connects a DVI display or projector supporting 1920 by 1210 80p 60Hz video, EDID/DDC pass-through ensure compatibility between source and display vertical bar wide. Host compatibility, passive video converter supports mDP++ source including Thunderbolt 1 and 2 MacBooks, MacBook Air and Mac Mini, Microsoft Surface Pro 1-6, desktops, AMD FirePro/NVidia Quadro, laptops, mini-edge computers, Intel Nuke. Increase producitivity, connect a DVI monitor or projector, or add a second display to your workstation using the mDP to DVI adapter dongle. Compact design makes it ideal for travel. 4.7, 12 cm, attached cable. Screw locking DVI, mini DisplayPort to DVI display adapter supports DVI screw locking cable to prevent cable from coming loose or accidental disconnection from DVI displays/projectors, tested with DVI cables up to 25 feet, mDP male to DVI female connector. Easy to use, with no software or drivers required. The Mini DP to DVI converter works with any OS including Windows, Ubuntu and Mac OS, compatible with Mini DP devices like TB1-TB2 MacBooks with Mini DisplayPort. Top reviews from the United States. Works perfectly right out of the box with Surface Pro 3. This works well right out of the box with Microsoft Surface Pro 3. Plug and play, automatically detects and sets the correct settings for max resolution. Unlike other adapters I have tested, including Microsoft's own VGA adapter, this adapter does not alter the resolution on the home screen or require constant setting of the screen resolutions. If you have a DVI video connection, this is the right choice.